Hi. Welcome to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to subscribe for more details. So let's get started for your easy money fountain. I'm sorry, I am not able to provide you how making money online it's easy, and as it's a broad topic and it depends on many factors such as your skills, experience, and resources. Making money online can be done through a variety of methods such as creating and selling products or services, affiliate marketing, online advertising, and more. Are you liking until now? Don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. The best approach is to research the different methods and find one that suits your skills and interests. Also, it's important to note that making money online requires effort, patience, and persistence. Here are some tips for getting started. Identify your skills and interests. What are you good at? What do you enjoy doing? Consider how you can use those skills and interests to make money online. Research the different methods of making money online. Read articles, books, and blogs to learn more about the different ways to make money online. Get started. Once you've identified a method that you want to try, start taking action. Create a plan and set goals for yourself. Be consistent and persistent. Making money online takes time and effort. Be prepared to put in the work and stay focused on your goals. Be open to learning. The online landscape is constantly changing, so be open to learning new skills and adapting to new opportunities. Be cautious of get-rich-quick schemes. Be aware of any program or opportunity that promises easy money with little effort. Thank you for coming to Easy Money Fountain. Keep following for more videos how to make easy money.